Hello! For our Chicken Soup for the Soul story time, we'll be reading Chicken in Charge by Adam Lerhop, pictures by Sahar Kober. And the book is published by HarperCollins Publisher. The farmer is away, said Sam. Who is caring for the new lambs? I am, said Zoe. This chicken is in charge. Is that a good plan? Asked Sam. What do you know about lambs? I know all about lambs, said Zoe. They need dinner and baths. After that, we put them to bed. That sounds easy, said Sam. Where do we start? Zoe headed off to the barn. Dinner, she said. That's my favorite meal, said Sam. He hurried to catch up to Zoe. Zoe grabbed a pie for the lambs. Do lambs like pie? Asked Sam. I thought they ate grass. Don't be silly, said Zoe. Everyone likes pie. Good point, said Sam. Good job eating, said Zoe. Sam looked at the lambs. They were covered in pie. I think it's bath time, said Sam. Zoe hauled out a tub of water. Is the tub big enough? Asked Sam. We're not using this, said Zoe. She dumped out the water. A muddy puddle formed at Sam's feet. We're taking mud baths, Zoe said. It's the best way to get clean. Everyone in, said Zoe. Time for your baths. The lambs piled in the mud pit. So did Sam. Even Zoe joined the fun. Cannonball. That was great, said Sam. He shook off the mud. The lambs tried to shake off too. They were not successful. They don't look clean, said Sam. Of course not, said Zoe. There's one more step for the lambs. What's that step? Asked Sam. They need to dry off, said Zoe. Everyone into the hay. The lambs tumbled in. They're covered in hay, said Sam, and completely dry, said Zoe. Time for bed. Where do lambs sleep? Asked Sam. In a nest, said Zoe. Come on, I'll show you. Zoe showed the lambs their nest. Everyone in, she said. The lambs piled in. They did not look ready to sleep. Settle down, said Zoe. I'll tell you a bedtime story. When the lambs settled down, Zoe told them a story. It was a story about two friends. It had asteroids, it had comets, it had alien spaceships. The lambs did not fall asleep. Zoe told another story. This one was all about school. It had books, it had crayons, it even had recess. The lambs did not fall asleep. Then Zoe told a tale of adventure. It had a wild yeti. It had a haunted barn. It had pie. When Zoe finished her story, something amazing happened. Everyone fell asleep, even Sam.